No, but it doesn't matter. Now, my name is Carsten Hilgers. I will give you a little bit more an overview about the activities on artificial intelligence in the Joint Technical Committee 1, Subcommittee 42. At least its presentation today is a cooperation with my colleagues from ILNAS. Natalie supported me to provide the information. I will give you a big overview about the activities there. The Committee 42 is established not very long time ago. It was started with a working group dealing with big data, and then it was identified it's necessary to address the topic in a separate subcommittee. Additionally, I will show you two examples from Germany by TV dealing with the topic in the digital railway system upcoming in Germany. So let's start with the technical standardization. At least there is, you see, the well-known word of ISO, ISC, ETSI, ITU, and so on, and the European level, and the topic artificial intelligence. It's a joint technical committee of ISO and ISC. There are a lot of different activities with a lot of different subcommittees dealing with cloud computing, subcommittees 38, for example, or the big data group, was working group 10. Also smart cities is a big topic. It's a big variety, and one of those committees dealing now is the Subcommittee 42. The Subcommittee 42 today is 28 participating member national committees, and you see in here it's green, observing members dealing with the topic. So you can see this topic is addressed meanwhile all over the world. They started working since 2017. Before it was a working group only, and the annual plenary meetings took once a year, and the next one will be in October in Tokyo. At the moment, the subcommittee has 3 working groups and 3 ad hoc groups and 6 working groups. You see, the topic we discussed yesterday, big data, is also under this subcommittee topic in a working group. It deals with artificial intelligent governance. It's dealing with characteristics of artificial intelligence systems, and so on. So it's a big variety and growing topic. To give you only a short overview. At the moment, there are some standards published. It's nothing railway specific. At least the committee is interested to adapt afterwards, step by step, also use cases on a quite generic level. They talk about transportation and so on, but not limited to specific transport modes. So at the moment, it's artificial intelligence concept and terminology. Standard published is a framework for AI system using machine learning. That's also a very important topic. You presented before something more specific, and this topic in the subcommittee 42 is they are interested to produce a generic basis for everybody, and that can be adapted to different application cases. Then there's the standard published, the ISO IC 24546 big data overview and vocabulary. At least I can only address the main topic is always to define first the terms, the definitions, and what do you understand if you talk about the different aspects, because in the past you had a lot of people have different views on terms. Best example is IT security, OT security, or cyber security. If you do not define the terms applicable for artificial intelligence in a correct way, it will be a really difficult situation to talk together worldwide about the topic. Then they also produce, meanwhile, the big data reference architecture, framework and application. It's one part, and another part is dealing with also with the big data reference architecture. I don't want to repeat the scope. We'll put everything inside the presentation because I expect that it's easier for you afterwards to read instead of reading it. That gives you a good overview about the activities there at the moment. And recently approved is now a new work item dealing with business process management, data analytics. There's a new project of the big data working group, two inside the committee dealing with principles for analytics. And you see the trustworthiness working group is also active, producing meanwhile standards, technical reports at the moment. That means these documents are not on a completely final level that it could be produced as a standard, because it's a first collection. A technical report has no requirements, it's only recommendations inside to find out and collect the basis for those topics. And there are also ongoing new work items dealing also with risk management. If you talk about risk management, they did not define at the moment. I have not defined at the moment the scope of this new proposal. It's an ongoing process, but if you talk about risk management in the railway domain, you have very often a clear picture, safety or something like this. You should be keep in mind that risk management is all over managing any risk, not limited to specific to safety or security or something. It's they are interested to establish a management system on all those topics dealing here. Then the working group 4 is working on use cases and applications. At the moment, they collect around about 60 use cases, but if you see, they only have on focus at the moment 10% of the use cases for transportation domain. But transportation domain means mainly bus, tram, or suburban traffic, but not the short distance, long distance trains, and so on. So it's not completed, the picture. So it means there's a big interest of the committee to collect and combine different transport modes and systems, because if you talk about smart cities, they are talking about how could I combine energy, water, light, traffic management in total to make to estimate what will happen in the next hours, what will happen in the next days, and what we need to the system should be prepared for. So it's these use cases are really interesting if they, when they can put those use cases and publish it in the technical report to figure out the direction and the combination of the different systems. Because you should be aware that also in the different countries worldwide, the EU and the US, they have different approaches, they have different behavior of the people. In Asia, the behavior is different. In Russia, it's different. In Africa, it's different. And if they can summarize on a very high level the use cases, it will be a really helpful way for the future to establish application-specific use cases on it. Then the working group 5, computational approach and computational characteristics of AI systems. They also work on technical reports at the moment. You see, there's a lot of things started, but if you remember, this subcommittee is founded. Yes, that's quite a view. One thing, and then I will be finished very soon. There's another subcommittee, 41, Internet of Things and related technologies. I want to point it out as well, because at least you see there, it's not a single word, and just to see also there they have a lot of subgroups, so it's a complex. So, and short conclusion, how artificial intelligence can be interesting for railway. In Germany, there are 2 examples they are all working on. That's on the one hand side, the digital traffic management, all based on real-time optimization. That's a project of Digitale Schiene Deutschland. That means in Germany they talk always digitalization is a chance to offer better operation and get more capacity on the track. At least the idea is on this project that you collect information, create actions, obtain the environment, get the feedback, and make observations. And so As you know it from the quality management, it's always a cycle, check, prove, to identify, check, decide, and improve. And all this time. The second topic, it seems that it's a really common topic for everybody. It's an inspection of tenant granaries. It's a complex topic because it has different influences, and especially if you have a lot of different companies operating trains in a network, it is not so easy. If you have only one company running trains, it's easier. And this is a big topic, how to come identify topics and summarize from in Germany, for example, to 420 different companies, the information to organize in future predictive inspection and maintenance. It's complex, and there are some approaches ongoing, ways ongoing how to analyze. You see an example similar to that what we have seen. That's it. Really grazie.